track. From zero to hero with a golden stack. Pencils down, now we hit the game. Trade so sweet, like they got no shame. Flipping coins like fortune's our name.
Okay guys, Magnus Best is here. Let's start our trading session again. So far, as I told you, as you could see in my previous lives, we are in a nice winning streak. So far 4 wins in a row. Again, as you can see in my stats that I show every time for this strategy, we've been on a even better winning streak. Or actually, it was not, I did a report, or I did analyzing of all the trades for this month, how it should have been if we followed our strategy completely. I actually didn't even trade it since the start of this month. So basically in my table there's even the whole month, and the stats are pretty clear. But what I want to show you right now is since I started on one account, on Apex account, on Eval, so despite of just testing this strategy, not following it at all, basically when it comes to the position sizes, or I was even doing like multiple test trades, or basically even like random trades by accident when I wanted to print screen. I'm gonna explain. So basically, let me go to the. So let's do it for from the 1st of October. Let's say. What is this? Okay. This year. And from. Wait. Okay, so basically the stats are still looking great, even though we just were testing, and still I was like deciding like when to take the profits and if we should use the break-even stop loss and so on. But still, this is looking very good, even though we were just testing and starting. So here you can see also the potential. These are the trades. In the bracket, that's a minus, it's a loss, and in the without brackets is the win. So basically, this is just a very nice, actually, proof that the strategy really works, even if you are not perfect. And this was actually just a testing, so there was like even more random trades, and still, but those random trades were bad trades. Basically, if they were not there, it would be a lot better. So, and here, so now let me switch. So that's that, and let me switch to the chart. Actually, first the table. So basically, this is the table I was talking about. I show it always on my live streams, and it's looking even a lot better, 76%, almost 77% win rate. And let me show you also what I wanted to work quick, because the session is starting soon. Wait, what I want. So basically, I created a also whiteboard. You know, if you've been watching my videos, when I was searching for a whiteboard on Google, it was just some stupid non-whiteboard bullshit pages. So basically, I just created quickly my own page. So you can always go to magnusbestes.com/white-board, so whiteboard, and you can always like Control Z to go back, Control Y to like normal, what works in every application, and text you just toggle this. So basically, this is what I wanted to say. So even though I started that account on 17th October, just small profits, not even like around 1-to-1 risk to reward levels I used, and basically random Xing the trades, and basically still you've seen the statistics, even despite of all this, still great. So this is the table. Let me just now quickly finally go to the chart and focus. Actually, this is the new indicator I told you I had to add some countdown because I wanted to have it more clear more clear. Let's lens better visible. Let me just quickly wait. I cannot even think now about the other stuff. We need to be ready for the most important thing at the moment, that is set up our trade in 4 minutes. Yeah, I should have been here sooner, guys. I'm always eating at this time, so that's just no. It's okay. We are on Nasdaq. Let me actually connect to.
They got the neck trading.
Okay, we are connected to trade away. Let's go. Take profits. Thank you. These levels are here. So basically now we're just waiting. What is it? 3 minutes. Okay. Okay. Despite of coming late, we are pretty ready right now. So where does it wanna go? Where does it wanna go? As always, you know, we are observing the 1 minute candle. We have our rules, simple rules. So the zones, I think it was pretty easy to draw. I think, you know, I have a column for this as well in my trading journal. I don't know if it's easy to draw, like simple or not. Okay, so we need to close above our zone, and what do you want? Then overcome that. Okay, we are above the zone. I wanted to go above a little later. Let's see, this is a W actually, so maybe it will be a nice W even for the whole move. Actually, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So far, beautiful winning streak. Yesterday it was not so easy to draw the zone, but I think
Magnus, market's gonna open in 1 minute.
29.
I
29.
wish you a nice quick profit.
Thank you. So now let's get ready. But the zone is already overcome before the open, so we need to just okay, I think it's not simple zone. Wait a minute. 18 seconds now. I can see it very clearly, not like it here, sometimes covered up. So that's good.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Go.
Open.
Oh, good. 1. So we don't want to be faked out. So far from VWAP, it's bouncing. far looking interesting. Nothing happens. This is a tricky price action now. So we need to wait. This was a fake out, and then we need to wait if this second one is not a fake out, because we had a deep retrace. So we need to close above, and then if we really want to go, okay, close is okay. And if we really want to go up, it would need to close, like go above this one. Tricky. This is not so simple now. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, but this is not so simple as yesterday.
Order filled.
Okay, let's go. I could have waited a little bit longer. There was like, wow, I cannot see the price. Did it overcome this candle or not? Did we have equal tops? I think I saw a wick there. Or not? Was there a wick or not? It was like double top. Just a little bit. Okay, not ideal.
Under the moonlight, we sway and croon, whispering secrets, a tender tune.
Okay, I don't like it.
Order filled.
I don't like it. Yeah, that was a...
Lost in the magic of this timeless place. Stars wink above us in a velvet sky. Eyes full of
We can be with like smooth minimal position, but this is just so that we are at least in something if it overcomes this.
Order filled.
Just small position. So basically the main trade, I just don't like it so much. So the main trade is
Order filled.
turned off. We have just one, like basically just two small, two micros, and it will be like this. 20. I should have waited for this. That was a little bit error on my side. Whatever. I thought it already overcome. I had to wait, and I can. Okay, now I can see the candles. Why? So I should have waited Where was it?
Eyes locked in passion,
Yeah,
setting
a little bit
dreams
longer.
aglow. With every step, our spirits entwine. Two souls in concert, a love so divine. Time seems to vanish.
Okay, so this is the trade now.
A waltz with eternity where we dwell. Hands intertwined, we amaze and delight.
Hmm.
Together we'll stay under the moonlight.
And I don't like it actually.
Order filled.
No, this is not. It's around. Okay, it can go up, but yeah, basically we are break even for this day. So I got some small loss and then profit. Let's call it a break even day. I also didn't like the zone. We broke even before the open, so this was not ideal. You know, this is actually, we can call it like good management of indecision. So basically a break-even day, no problem. This can happen, we cannot win every time, but still, as I said, it can be a good trade because there was a confirmation order. But yeah, I should have, with the first one, I should have waited here for this. Oh, I mean, let me make it more obvious. So this was the fake out. Now I don't see the zone. No, the zone was here because it was in my previous chart. Let's go to the previous chart. No, doesn't matter. So this was the zone. Let's draw it here as well. Okay, the zone was where was the zone? Yeah, it was like this. And I remember more than half of this order block. So we got up, it was a fake out, and then I wanted to close above. It was this candle, and I should have entered on this candle. So you see, if I completely follow the strategy, we would have been in nice profits only, not break even. But I closed it in the middle, and then I had small win from here. Okay, and it actually goes even higher. But you know, I just wanna, you know, play it safe here as well, because I just don't like, it was just a mess. I was not sure about the entry, but now it's clear. I told you guys, as you can see in my rules. Let me show you. This is, we are in this. So it was the fake out scenario. So first was fake out, and then we want the other candle close above, and then we need to enter above the highest high of the new run. And here I was not sure if we actually, so basically I entered on the full with the mini. I entered sooner, that's why I didn't like it, so I closed it. Sooner, but not the loss was just half or even less. And then I switched to micro and put 2 contracts, and then once I knew we overcome this, I entered a little bit sooner. No, actually it was at the moment I knew it's gonna overcome, as it says in our rules, where I told you it's gonna overcome this. So that's what happened. We closed above and then overcome, and it's a good one-to-one trade actually. Almost now. So basically, again, I need to call this a win for the strategy. For my trading, it was a break even, but we can call this. So this was the scenario. You know, it's always important, guys, to just keep these, remind your patterns to yourself. Beautiful, again, beautiful trade. For me, just break even, but This was not easy. Right, simple zone now. No, it was not a simple zone. Today's 23. Then break even. What would a break even stop loss do? Break even stop loss would do nothing, and we had actually zero drawdown on this entry. It's a beautiful win, and the strategy continues with winning streak. So nothing here. For example, on 21st of October, the break-even stop loss would just take us too soon out of the trade, and it would be no win, no loss, basically, no trade, or basically break-even. Here, beautiful. This is how I like it, guys. So now our win rate is 78%. This is incredible. As I told you, we don't need to, even if it like drops lower, I don't follow around numbers, so I consider this already 1 to 2, like around, ideally around 1 to 1.8. So even if it just dropped, it can still even go full 1 to 2.
My rings on my fingers, they shine, turning heads like I'm on a fine line. In the moonlight, they glimmer so bright, silver stars guiding me through the night. Wearing magic on my hands, it sings. Every whisper is a promise it brings. My earrings catching all of my signs, silver whispers that light up the skies. My earrings, oh, they make me feel free. In their sparkle I can truly see silver dreams dancing on like a flight. With my earrings I feel so right. My earrings, oh, they make me feel free.
And so I just replied, Ryan, and I didn't notice. I need to, because I use just one screen. This is just my setup. Trading setup is very minimalistic. This is how I like it, basically, because if I travel, blah blah, travel, so I don't notice always the chats quickly. But as you can see here, in the meantime, beautiful trade. Yeah, so basically now I should have I should have held it longer, or I mean I should have entered with the mini, not micro, once I knew it overcome and it met my rules. So basically I'll tell you why I still took the safe route in this case, because so far with the futures I'm not I haven't seen these setups so much that after a first, basically we overcome the main point before the open, so then the zone was not so easy to find, and then we had a fake out, and then we also didn't have a good zone, so I was not so confident about this zone, let's put it that way. That's why I didn't trust, even though our pattern, wow, there's like so much wind now, I can't even talk. My window is smashing my... Okay, so basically, what was I saying? That's why the zone, as I said, was not so obvious so far to me. Even though I knew it's W, and of course, as I show in my shorts, W, at least you need to expect to go till here, but you know, I wasn't just not thinking about these things. I was again thinking safety first. So I didn't like the zone, and even though it met my, this is the pattern, so fake out and then confirmed after fake out entry, that was all good. Even though it met my rules, I still, because of the advanced zone, like not simple to draw, I just still, it was a nice trade, but it was just micro. But whatever, we are still learning here with the futures. I've been trading, actually, don't forget that I've been trading for many years. Many years ago, when I started to do actually the first lives, I do the same thing. It was just different assets. So basically, I just need to only adapt to the NQ, but basically it's the same. I just adapted a little bit and need to like gain more experience on the live charts here with the futures, and because I'm a person who goes really just safety first, as I always say. You know, we started 17th of September with this, so it's been just a week, not even a week. So we are okay to do prematurely like close trades, still okay. The main thing we need to keep in mind, the strategy and the win rate increases. This is the most important thing. 19 are 78% win rate, and I cannot emphasize this enough. This is not just like I made up this win rate. I didn't make it up. This is really easily to be proven. You can check it out anytime. Just go back. These trades are based on simple zones, so there's no ambiguity. So it's not like, okay, probably in real life I would enter it differently. I would have entered it differently. No. I would do the same. So basically, because we have a strategy that confirms not only with simple zones, so there's no ambiguity, but also 1 minute candles. We wait for specific things, so it's repeatable and it's not left for some intuition. Mostly it's just really rules, simple rules, and day by day just the same thing, monkey style. That's what I always wanted to design for you guys, so that you don't stress. You should never just waste time with staying on the charts the whole day, and even then at the end lose, and also the losing time, basically. If you can, you need to realize this is how the life works. This is actually a big secret. You can be rich working the whole day, or you can be poor working the whole day, and you can be rich working just half an hour per day, and you can be poor just working half an hour a day. It's really always your choice. You just need to find the way how you like it to be, and it always can be the way how you like it. You just need to find it, search for it and find it. This is a beautiful, it would be nice one to. So basically, there are people, for example, in India, the whole day they work on the ground. They basically just, how they call it, peel those cashews. Their fingers are all black. It's toxic, and they earn like $5 per day, and they work hard and every day, and even hurt their health. And then you have people who just work, who, for example, let's say that this strategy is just half an hour per day, and you can get rich with this strategy, and just half an hour, and you just all you need to do is just follow the strategy. You will get funded. The funds is not a problem. There are prop firms nowadays. It's actually very easy for anybody. So this is it. We are in special times where you can just get the funds, and if you have the discipline, if you had the discipline, you can be rich easily, at least financially free pretty quickly. So I hope I give here a lot of value, guys. Make sure to like the streams so that I am motivated to actually continue streaming my trading sessions, because I still, I need to I always need to like set up my microphone here, blah blah. Sometimes I don't even feel like doing it. But oh, and I forgot, guys, let me put here the banner again. Where is it? Is it this one? 80% off all accounts on Apex. Trader funding with the code Magnus. You always get the best discount, because from today again we have this possibility of 80%, guys. This is actually incredible. So basically, instead of paying, what was it? So you will pay just $37 for a 50k account, which is incredible. And you can, and of course, don't forget to join tomorrow. Because and actually it will be 1 hour sooner. It's gonna be the open of the New York session, not stock exchange. So the New York session, and we are gonna try to pass. Well, let's say we were gonna pass evals of Apex based on a special strategy, just simple breakouts on one or the other side. We will set up orders. I will do it probably on TradeAway platform, because here it's a little bit, we don't have automated systems here. On the trading view still has not implemented like direct connection to the broker. It's basically still a screening platform, so that's one disadvantage. Hopefully I believe they will wake up sooner rather than later and make this adjustment, so that we can even create scripts to influence this trading panel, because so far with the scripts I cannot write a script to change this units number. I just cannot. I can write a script to show me the how many contracts, and then I need to manually. But on Ninja Trader I can do it. Actually, I already have a risk to reward calculator with everything, and also hotkey and entering system that automatically changes also this trade panel number. But here on TradingView so far I cannot. No problem. Still, so far we don't need it here. We have just one trade over here. The one thing I need to somehow solve here, because if I do first we need to solve so that I don't do stupid mistakes, and I actually wait here for my strategy to be valid. But then what I wanted to say, like, I had to switch to micro, so it's not really quick right now. So I don't know how to solve it. Maybe I will create a button here. Yeah, that can be. I'll create. I don't know if it's possible. If I can influence with a script changing of the pair, the asset. I would like to quickly change to micro. Because now I still need to go here and then search, and then there is also a good information, guys. Not everybody knows this. So basically the difference between these and these, if you select with the exclamation mark, it's always better because automatically it rolls over to the next month automatically. If you use this contract, it just you need to then use the other one next month. Changes, I don't know, on the 25th of the month. I don't know which day. Maybe it even varies. I don't know. But if you choose this one with exclamation, it automatically just rolls over. So yeah, this was the okay, whatever. There was actually a small loss for the day because I thought I closed it a little bit higher. So we had this small loss and then win on the micro with 2 watts contracts. No problem. Break even day basically still. So yeah, the lesson here again. I actually, there was no quick way how I could check if this candle overcome this candle. I was not sure, so that's why I closed it. This is the only reason why I closed it. So I should have been in a nice. Oh, this makes me now angry because I see it now clearly. This was the zone, and I was just not sure if we closed. Listen, guys, nobody's perfect. We are not robots. I need to again say why I didn't know it, because there was this stupid box. Okay, next time what do I need to do? I need to, maybe if I did this, the stupid box would go more to the left and I could see actually the candles. Because I was in a trade and there was a box telling me how much money I'm in the trade, and I didn't see this zone. I didn't see it. If I saw it and I would see this candle. Okay, so and in the quick movement, I didn't want to like lose some money like waiting too long, so I just closed it. If you don't know, you just close. It's like the basic rule. Now, of course, I know I could have just hover, check the highs, and then check this high. Basically, I was just not thinking clearly, and I wanted to get into the trade then immediately, so I was just thinking how to quickly change the chart. Okay, I'm talking too much. Okay, now it's just 10 seconds from the half an hour of our time window for trading. 30 minutes, it's ending. So guys, Ryan, you're the man. You really are getting some great knowledge here. Others are missing out, so kudos to you. You are really on the right spot here, so I appreciate you joining. You were here also yesterday, so yeah. So actually, I think that's it. The move was full potential so far, 1 to 7 almost. Beautiful trade. Okay, so again, we are continuing our winning streak of the strategy. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Don't forget to like, of course. Like, motivate me, guys. Give me the like and subscribe if you are not, of course. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.
In his class, we're all the news. found our home with that passion ignited like a firestone in this world of trade, and we're finally known. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. And it's feeling rhythm and blues. In this class, we're all the news. We're the ones who never lose. Trading moves got nothing to choose. Epic feeling rhythm and blues. In this class, we're all the news. We rise together, never alone. In Magnus Best's class, we found our home with that passion ignited like a firestone in this world of trade, and we're finally known.
Magnus Bestest, chasing dreams so high with every move. He reaches